Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see company reviews on Indeed app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through each step on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to see the company reviews, first of all, go to your profile section. You can see the profile section at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Once you're in your profile settings page, you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now here, you will not find any company reviews options. So what you can do is, you can go to this My Demographics option, tap on it. Once you're in this page, if you scroll down, here you'll find different menu options. You can see the option Browse Companies, tap on it. Here you will see different list of the companies. Now you need to find the name of the company whose reviews you want to see. For example, I'll just randomly select any company from here. Once you're in the company page, here you'll see different menu list. If you scroll it to the left, here you can see the reviews option, tap on it. Now in this page, you can write a review, or if you want to see other reviews, here if you scroll down, you'll find the reviews given by others for this company. So that's it. You just need to find the companies whose reviews you want to see, and you can go to the review section and you will find reviews by others. So there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.